Welcome guys. Today is February 23rd, 2024. Take a look at one of our recent projects. We had an investor purchase this property. We took a look at the bathroom. It wasn't done the right way. So myself and my company got hired to fix this bathroom, completely change the layout and the design, along with doing some additional work, patching up of drywall. We are in the northernmost part of Baltimore. This is a very beautiful location. We're not too far from Morgan State University, just minutes down the road. And just wanted to welcome everybody and come take a look at our project. The roof was replaced when the investor purchased the property. However, there was some mold that fell all the way down the lower levels. And what we're doing is we're patching everything up, treating it, and then fixing it and putting it and painting it back. Additionally, we're gonna added security on both doors. That way we have keyless entry, Halo Bluetooth from anywhere in the world. Here we have the bathroom upstairs, which we're gonna show you guys. But in order to reconfigure the entire plumbing of the bathroom, we had to open up some holes here and reroute the plumbing, so do a plumbing alteration. Also, additionally here, there's additional mold that had to get removed and treated, and that's what we did. And there's some patches in the bathroom as well. Additionally, what we did is we installed a handrail here because there wasn't one in the past, which is a safety hazard and a concern and not up to building code. So take a look at it. Now for the masterpiece. This is the bathroom that we actually did a lot of work on. Initially, we had the shower over here with no shower head. We had the toilet in the corner right, and we had the vanity on this side, which wasn't functional, and it wasn't up to code as well. So what we did is we rerouted and we altered all the plumbing. We installed the bathtub on this side. We installed the GFCI on the corner. We have the toilet here, and we have the vanity here. So now it's more of an open bathroom. Contractor that previously started renovating this property forgot to install a dryer vent in the laundry facility. So what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna be installing a dryer vent and hooking it up exterior, and then also sealing it and waterproofing it.